back to the channel. So today it is Baking with Scarlett episode 3. So last time I baked banana pancakes and then I baked quiche, and then today we will be baking Christmas cookies, or if you're going to say biscuits. Anyway, so I'm just going to the shops and I have actually bought some things for tomorrow, but you'll be seeing that in tomorrow's video. But we've got all the ingredients all laid out. I will show you. So we've got the flour, the sugar, the butter, the egg, the vanilla extract, the icing sugar, and of course the iPad with the recipe on it. So yes, I'm going to be telling you the recipe. So it's the Christmas cookies. Also, what I've got a special little adding things to this. I'll show you. So of course, if you're making them Christmas cookies, you could just do icing sugar and decorate them with like Christmas like things. You can do a little Santa Claus on them with like icing. But I have made something more special. We have got Christmas cookies with Christmas cookie cutters. Now we have a little Christmas tree one. We have a little snowflake one. And we of course have a little reindeer one. So this is what we're cutting our cookies in. And yeah, so I'm very excited to use these as Christmas cookie cutters. And yeah, then obviously we'll be decorating them with sprinkles, icing. Might do snowflake white, might do Christmas tree green, and then might do the reindeer brown, you know? So yeah, so that is what my little special thing to add to that is. Anyway, I'm going to show you the recipe we can use. Of course, if you know me, we're going to use BBC Good Food. That's the only recipe I use. But today, the ingredients is going to be called Easiest Ever Biscuits. And of course, I'm not making them easy because I'm doing different kind of things. But it's just like a recipe I'm going to use. The ingredients are 200 grams unsalted butter. It has to be softened. Might be an issue with that butter. 200 grams of golden caster sugar. Obviously, you could use any caster sugar, but I'm actually just going to be using golden caster sugar. 1 large egg, so 1 egg. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Of course, the vanilla extract is here. And then you need 400 grams of plain flour. And of course, I've got my plain flour. So that is all the ingredients you need. And yes, so we're going to start off. The first is step 1 is to heat the oven to 180 to 200 degrees. So we're going to do that first step. So we're going to the oven on. So we're going to weigh out the butter and put what we need in our space and put the rest in the fridge. And then we're going to weigh out the flour, caster sugar. So then once we've all weighed everything out, we're then going to start to put it all together. So let's go ahead and just weigh out the caster sugar. Our butter is all weighed out now. We're now going to go ahead and weigh out the flour. We're going to put flour in a little bowl. Let's go ahead and weigh out the flour. Now, it's probably zoomed in my face, but do okay now. We've now got our butter, and we're actually going to go ahead and do the caster sugar. We're going to do the caster sugar in the same way we did start off with the flour. Now weighed out, we have got our butter, our flour, and our caster sugar weighed out. And the only thing we other need to weigh out is our vanilla extract, because we'll just put it in when we need it. So the first thing is heat oven, done that. And then we just need a baking tray to put our cookies on. And this is a lovely clean baking tray here we can use. So we're going to use this baking tray here. And then you can we're going to lay it with a sheet of baking paper. That's what it's called, I think it is. So we're going to go ahead and just lay that onto our tray. Okay guys, so once all our stuff is all weighed out and our tray is lined with baking paper, we're now going to go ahead and get a mixing bowl, clear one, and we're gonna basically mix the butter until it's like nice and soft. Let's go ahead and just do that. Okay, so once that is all done, we're actually going to add in the caster sugar and start mixing it with the caster sugar. Okay, so that is all done now, and we're going to go ahead and do our next thing. Now we're going to add in the egg. So we're now going to add in the flour. So we're going to quickly mix in the vanilla extract, which is basically quite easy. And then we're going to do the flour, but we're not going to do it all at once. We're going to do it like little chunks. So when you make dough, it's really hard when you add the flour to the caster sugar and butter, because when you go to mix the flour, it's goes everywhere. So you need to honestly be so careful because it's so powdery. One blow and it's everywhere. So yeah, it'll be a long time. So I'll see you guys when I have made this into some kind of dough. Okay guys, so I've just kind of made it into some kind of dough, but now is the point where you have to legit just get your fingers in and get them. So let's go ahead. And by the way, I have already washed my hands. I washed them when I got back from the shops. So yeah, so basically we need to get all this off the spoon. We can try to do that in a minute anyways. But basically we just need to get our fingers in. And basically we're going to have to put it all together like a dough. And yeah, so we're going to try and make it into a dough. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it, but okay, so now once it's all kind of a dough, we're now going to get a rolling pin and roll it out. So let's do that. So I'm just kind of doing the deers now, and yeah, so I've just kind of done the snowflakes. I've done 5 snowflakes, and then I'm probably do 4 reindeers and then a few Christmas trees. I'm not too sure, I'm just kind of rolling out dough, see how many I put, and then just doing a random number, to be honest. So yeah, I think these little reindeers are so cute. I will decorate some of them cute. I'll obviously put a little icing sugar down, maybe put a bit of some, put sprinkles on them, but some of them might leave plain. And yeah, but I just think they're so cute and adorable. Comment down below if what kind of if you want more baking. So these are kind of all done the first kind of batch. So I've done 4 snowflakes and then a few reindeers. That leg is kind of dying. We're gonna go ahead and basically do some Christmas trees and some more reindeers, and then I'll be back with you guys when we've got all our bakes all ready. How's that for? Fruit of the day. Actually, please don't do that video if you're eating. Started when we were younger, you and my boo. My boo. Ow! It's when I'm trying to bake. Don't. I chew on my baby. Someone give her a music record, or give me a part in Phantom of the Opera musical if you're anywhere part of that. Jokes, I can't actually sing opera, but I would be in the chorus line if you want me to. That's deep. It's broken. No. Savannah, I swear to God, you're so annoying. No, I'm actually a great videographer. Cut it. I can't do it to you. Let me. We should make this into a competition, a decorating competition. Okay guys, so the cookies have been made. I hope you did like that little montage I made for you. But they all away now, and you'll be staying tuned for tomorrow's video if you want to see how they all turned out and how I decorated them. And tomorrow's video is going to be a contest between me and my sister. That's my dinner done. The contest between me and my sister decorating them, who can do the best decorating stuff. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Also link in the description to see that video.